How to check your engine coolant. Step 1, go into your vehicle and open the hood. Prop up your hood properly, make sure it's safe and secure. Be sure to check your engine temperature. If the temperature is too high, it can be dangerous to open the radiator cap, but it's safe to look at your coolant inside the overflow bottle, which is what we're doing right now. You want to see some fluid in the bottle. There's a high and low level. It's difficult to show in this video, but you can see some fluid at the bottom of this bottle. The next step is to check the coolant in your actual radiator by opening the pressure cap. First step is to be sure that there's very minimal pressure in the cooling system. Squish the upper radiator hose and then carefully open the cap. Once you lift off the cap, you can then look inside and see the level. There should be fluid right at the top of the radiator. It doesn't have to be exactly the top, but very near the top. Put the cap back on, make sure it's tight and secure. Thank you for watching.